Okay, we're back to this question. We're going to do the last two parts. We've got this wave, we've got F and we've got G, and it says for which values in this range from 0 to 360 degrees will F times G be a positive number greater than 0? Well, what we do is we take a vertical line here. Now, if we stop right here, you see right here, G is a positive number, and if I multiply it, there's a positive number right there, and F is a negative number. Now, if I multiplied a positive times a negative, it wouldn't be greater than 0. So if G and F are on opposite sides of the x-axis like this, they won't multiply to be greater than 0. So if they're on the opposite sides of the line, it doesn't work. But whoa, let's stop right here. There, F is positive, G is positive. When we multiply them together, it's going to be a positive number. And that's true if they're on the same side of the x-axis, it's going to be true. But right at 180, it equals 0, so it won't be greater. And right at 0, it will equal 0. So the answer is anywhere between the 180 and the 0. Well, that's that question done. There's your answer for all the values of x that will make F times G greater than 0. Let's try the last question here. Now, this it seems really hard, but it's not hard if you know what you're doing. Let's look at the equation G. It's reflected about the x-axis. Well, let's just stop there. If the x-axis was a mirror, this plus 2 would become minus 2. And if we put it in the form y equals, if you want to reflect about the x-axis, all you do is take all the y values and make them negative. Well, that's the first reflection. Just take y and make it negative. And we've got a new function. If we multiply the negative through, we get minus cos x minus 1. Now, the next thing they say is it's shifted 2 units upward, 2 units upward. Well, if you add 2 to minus 1, you get plus 1. Well, there's your new function. I made y negative, and then I added 2. Okay, well, that's the end of this trigonometry section here. And I'll just stop there. Whoops. Okay. I just made little videos of all of the stuff we're going to do today. Oops.